Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, I hope you're having a great day. So if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a magical step to get rid of your skin tag, be it skin wax or skin mole. Okay, so this magical remedy is gonna help you to remove all of the skin tag, but I'm going to be telling you which one is going to be suitable for your skin tag, especially when you have it under the eye. You know, there are some people that have skin tag under the eye. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be telling you which one is suitable for you to apply there and which one you shouldn't apply there. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Without further ado, don't forget to subscribe, share, thumbs up, and let's go. Okay guys, so this is one amazing way to get rid of your skin tag, and for this particular ingredient you can actually apply it even if you have skin tag under your eye. Yeah, so it is actually a little mild for under eye skin tag. Yeah, okay, so I need banana. Yeah, you're gonna be needing your banana, a ripe one, and we're gonna be peeling our banana. Okay, so for this banana, we're not gonna be needing the banana meat itself. We're just gonna be needing the banana peel. Yeah. Okay guys, so now this is what we're going to do. We're gonna be removing the peel of the banana. So you can actually do it this way, because when you start from this way and remove it, all of the the rope like stuff are going to come out. Yeah, so you don't need that. You just need to remove it little by little like this. And then you need a whole lot of the banana peel. Okay, so the reason why you need this banana peel instead of the banana meat is because the acidic in banana peel helps to kill skin tag. Yeah, and it also helps to even out and smooth your skin. Okay, so I've actually finished peeling, removing all of the peel in my banana, and now I'll just have to try and make it smooth. Okay, so after doing that, okay guys, so the next ingredient is going to be apple cider vinegar. Okay, so you have to buy an apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it. That way when you put it into the banana peel, it's going to help to make this treatment more effective and works rapidly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to shake it guys, because there are some particles below in which we actually need very well. So I'm actually gonna be taking just a few of this apple cider vinegar and then put it into the banana peel. Okay guys, so it's actually raining, so ignore any noise at the background. Today is a rainy day. Okay, so after putting that, to mix that and make sure that the banana peel absorb all of the apple cider vinegar juice, and then you keep stirring. Possibly you can actually keep this, for like 30 more minutes. Okay, that way it's going to really work really well. Okay, so after that, now let me show you how you're going to apply this. Yeah, okay, so what you're going to be needing to apply this, if you're actually applying it on your face apart from your under eye, you're going to be needing a plaster. Yeah, okay, and you're equally going to be needing some cotton wool. So I have cotton wool here and I have plaster here. Okay, so this is how you're going to apply it. Now I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be applying this if you're to apply it under your eye area. So now for this particular one, if you're to apply it in any part of your skin apart from your under eye area, you're going to be needing this cotton wool. Yeah, you're going to take enough of this treatment plus the apple cider vinegar. Yeah, just arrange everything and you just apply it on the affected area, and make sure that there is enough juice in this okay, so that when you cover it up, the juice is going to really get into your skin. And then what you do is to cover it with a plaster. Okay, just like this, and it is very simple. Okay, now when you cover it up with a plaster, it's going to be difficult for it to actually fall off. Yeah, and by so doing, it's going to stay throughout the day or throughout the night. Yeah, okay, so if you have more than one skin tag, you do the same thing. Yeah, this is actually very important. You do the same thing, and you take this and then you apply it on those parts. And then you grab your plaster put it there. Simple. Okay, so if you were to apply this under your eye, okay, since the under eye area is actually very sensitive, what you do is to grab this like this and then you dab it under your eye. Okay, now for the under eye area, you're not going to cover it up. Yeah, now that is actually because the under eye skin is actually very soft, and you do not need to cover it up, so that whenever you feel a hot sensation, you just quickly remove it. Yeah, okay, before it burns your skin. Okay, so for this particular one, you can leave it on for 24 hours, that's till the following day, and it's going to be really helpful, guys. Yeah, this is going to work at least in 3 to 5 days, okay, of applying this, like consistently applying this. It's going to kill off any skin tag whatsoever, just me. Okay, all right, so that is how you're going to do it for 3 days and your skin tag is gone. Okay, so that's it, guys. It is actually very simple, effective, and this home remedy is something that you should be consistent. Just like I told you in the video, you have to use it at least 3 to 5 days, yeah, for you to see a very like visible result, like the result is permanent, yeah, and you're gonna be loving it, yeah. So you can go give this a go, and if you do love the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye.